Everybody, Danny here. Let's go ahead and head on over to Easel and put some trunks and a few branches on our trees. I'll meet you there. And here we are. Okay, tree trunk time. We're coming in with fine brush, activating the water out of the watercolor pencils that I use because they allow me to do this work a lot easier. And they just might you too. And it's perfectly okay to use them. Okay, we're just pulling the tree trunks down, just like that. There we go. Now tomorrow what we'll do is we'll give them a place to stand. No problem. Okay, come in on this one, let it activate the paint. There we go, just like that. And we'll recap everything that we did tomorrow. It's not a long recap. Basically what we did is we just kicked back and had some fun doing very whimsical trees with experimenting with table salt. And as you can see, it left its mark. Not as good as I would have liked, but by golly, it was fun. Okay, and we get this one in. And I want you to please remember to like, subscribe, hit the link, and always remember that you are very, very special to Ann and I here. We love doing our videos for you. We truly, truly do. So make plans to be with us, to tell your friends. And by golly, we'll just keep doing these videos for you. So be with me tomorrow, by golly, and we'll just put some more on the ground here like that, and we'll call this one done, and we'll get ready to move off into our next adventure. So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, comment. We need the comments. Tell your friends about us. And always remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. Tomorrow we'll give them a place to stand and go over what we've done, okay? Be with me tomorrow, and remember in the meantime that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.